What's going on? MK Collectible Cards in the new studio, semi-new studio, because this is just a temporary studio. Well, I got something special for you. Found a little random goodness in Walmart. Now, what caught my attention, obviously it's an off-brand, obviously it's not Panini. It's a company that actually guarantees one Beckett graded card, 9.0 or higher. I personally know it costs anywhere from 10 to 20 bucks just to grade a card with them, but still no guarantees. So I'm not super hoping for like a Patrick Mahomes rookie or nothing like they have on the box. But it says it comes with one graded card, 10 factory sealed packs, probably smaller ones, and then one bonus item. So here's some of the potential packs, but nothing's guaranteed based on what it said down here. Packs and cards are randomly inserted and packed up. So we'll see what we got. Oh, also check us out on TikTok. We are officially there. Same name, same YouTube handle. All right, so it looks like it is actually a Patrick Mahomes Aspire card. Well, that's pretty neat. At least it's I'm a Chiefs fan, and I'm good with that. It's not subgraded, it's just a regular grade. Beckett usually does subgrades for the corners, surface, edges, stuff like that. But still, probably more inexpensive cards, so this will do just fine. 1919 Sage Aspire, Patrick Mahomes. Yeah, that's pretty what's up. Set that right there. Maybe I can boost it up a little. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we got Prestige. I think that's a pretty decent pack. That's actually from 2014. Leaf Drafts from 2017. Premier Draft Hit 2017, Low Series. We got Leaf Draft 2015. I like the fact that they're different years, so we'll have to see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Draft 2020. 5 cards per pack. Oh, one more of those. Got a Score 6. I'll probably do individual videos for these. I just wanted to crack the box, check out the actual packs inside, and let you guys check out. I wanted to see really the graded card it came with. So we'll keep it there for now. We'll keep the party going a little bit later, but until then, we'll catch you next time. Peace out.